Hello dear students, this is the second class of coordinate geometry. We will discuss first, this is a kind of a revision class, okay. Here show that the following points form a equilateral triangle. What is the properties of equilateral triangle here? Equilateral triangle A, B, C. All sides are equal, right? AB equals to BC equals to AC. All these three sides are equal, hence we will say this is, and also angles are equal. Inside angles in a triangle are equal. Okay, all angles are equal, then we will say equilateral triangle. Now we have a given points. First write it the given points. A is equals to a comma 0, b is equals to minus a comma 0, c is equals to 0 comma a root 3. Okay, now from here we can find AB, BC, AC, right? AB, first of all, A point is a comma 0, B point is minus a comma 0. We know AB distance formula we know. Okay, what is the distance formula? Write the distance formula first. Okay, distance formula, distance between 2 points, between 2 points is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So this is the distance formula we are applying here. AB distance, AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square minus a whole square minus a. Next plus y2 minus y1 0 minus 0 whole square root over minus a is minus 2a whole square. Okay, plus 0. So from here this is inside of square minus 2a is there, it will become positive. Okay, 2 square a square, 2 square is 4, a square is a square only. So we can write inside can be positive for a square, or else we'll write as negative, just remove, and 2a whole square you can write. Okay, square root cancel from here. So here AB distance is equals to 2a. Okay, this is AB distance. Similarly, BC distance is, B is what? B point is 0 comma a minus a comma 0, and C is 0 comma a root 3, a root 3. Now from here BC distance, BC is equals to root over x2 minus x1, this is x1, this is y1, x2, this is y2, x2 minus x1 0, minus of minus plus whole square plus y2 minus y1 a root 3 minus 0 whole square. So from here we can say a square, this is plus, this is a root 3 whole square, a root 3 whole square. See here, a root 3 whole square can be written as a square into root 3 square, square root cancel, 3a square. Okay, so we can write it as root over a square plus 3a square. So a square plus 3a square is 4a square. See, 1 unit plus 3 units add up, you will get 4 units, right? 4a square. Similar way, 4a can be written as 4a square can be written as 2 square, and a square is a overall square. I can write a square root square cancel. So from here we can write BC is equals to 2a distance. Okay, BC is also 2a distance. Next, CA distance. CA distance is C and A. Okay, C point we have C point 0 comma a root 3, and A point is a comma 0, and from here we can say AC distance. AC is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So from x2 minus x1 a minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 0 minus a root 3 whole square. So we can write it as a square, this is plus Here in the square we have negative. Negative will become positive. Okay, a square. And square root cancel, you will get 3. Okay, 3a square. 3a square. 3a square plus 1a square is 4a square. Okay, 4a square. So we can write it as 3 times 2 times of a whole square. So square root cancel. So 2a. AC is equals to 2a. See here, 4a square can be written as 2 square, 4 can be written as a square. So square square is there. Can I write 2a whole square? So I wrote 4a square. Instead of 4a square, I wrote 2a whole square. Square root cancel, a is equals to 2a. Therefore, we have AB, CA, BC, AC. All distance are AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All distance are equal. Right, all distance are equal. Therefore, we can say this is an equilateral triangle. Okay. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, a, B, C are vertices of equilateral triangle. Vertices of equilateral triangle. Equilateral lateral triangle. Okay. See once again. Here the question is given. We just wrote the given part ABC and AB. We found AB distance 2A and BC distance 2A and CA distance 2A. Therefore, we can say that all distances are equal and sides are equal. Therefore, ABC are the vertices of a triangle. That's all. We can say here he is asking show that the points are equal to triangle. So we proved that. Okay. Now next type of model we will do. Okay. Here in this, prove that the points taken in order are the corners of parallelogram. He is asking to prove parallelogram. Okay, he is asking to prove parallelogram. Here in the parallelogram, let us say this is A point, B point, C point, D point. In this parallelogram, AB is equals to this side, AB is equals to DC. Okay, next AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC and diagonals are not equal. Okay, diagonals are not equal. This diagonal and this diagonal both are not equal. Diagonals are not equal. AC diagonal is not equals to diagonal of BD. Okay, diagonal of BD. Now here AB is equals to DC. AB, DC both are parallel lines. That's the reason both are equal. Okay. AB and DC are equal. AD and BC are equal. And diagonals are not equal. If we prove this, we can able to prove automatically this is a parallelogram. Now A point is given. A point is what? Minus 7 comma minus 3. B point is 5 comma 10. C point is, let us say, 15 comma 8 and D point is 3 comma minus 5. Therefore, we can find AB distance, right? Distance formula first, right? Distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a formula. Okay. Now we will find the AB distance first. Okay. Now first we will find the AB distance. A point is minus 7 comma minus 3. B point is 5 comma 10. So AB distance is equals to AB is equals to root over, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So x2 minus x1 whole square, 5 minus of minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 10 minus of minus whole square. So from here root over 5 minus to minus plus 5 plus 7 whole square plus 10 plus 3 whole square. Here 5 plus 7 is how much? 12. 12 square plus 10 plus 3 is how much? 13. this is 10. Okay, this is 10 plus 3, 13. 13 square. So we can write this is root over 12 square is 144, 13 square is 169. If I add up 144, 169, this is 13, this is 11, 313. Root over 313 is the. So here AB distance we got root over 313. Okay, root over 313 is the distance. Okay, next AB we found. DC we will. Okay, see, we will check DC. DC is D points. D point is D is equals to 3 comma minus 5. 3 comma minus 5. DE. E is in DC 15 comma 18. 15 comma 8. 15 comma 8. Yeah. So this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2, DC distance. Find the DC distance. 15 x2 minus x1 whole square, right? 15 minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 8 minus of minus 5 whole square. So from here we can say 15 minus 3 is how much? 12 square plus 8 plus 5. This is minus into minus plus. Okay, 8 plus 5 whole square. Root over 12 square plus 8 plus 5 is 13 square. So we will get here 12 square is 144 plus 13 is 169. 13 square is 169. If I add up together, I can get 313. Same, 313. Therefore, both distances are equal. What distance? AB and DC. AB is equals to DC distance are equal. Okay, equal. Next, AD is equals to BC. Okay, AD is equals to BC distance we need to prove. Here we proved AB is equals to DC. Next, AD is equals to BC we should prove. Okay, first we will say, we will consider AD and BC. Okay, AD and BC. AD distance, first AD is equals to root over x2 minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus 7. Okay, whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus 3 whole square. So root over 3 plus 7 minus to minus plus 3 plus 7 is 10 whole square plus minus to minus plus minus 5 plus 3. Okay, this is minus 5 plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, right? So minus 2 whole square. So from here 10 square is 100 plus 2 square is 4. Therefore root over 104. 104 is the AD distance. Okay, AD distance is 104. Next, BC distance. BC is equals to root over is x1 y1 is x2 y2 x2 y2 x2 minus x1 x2 minus x1 whole square distance form 15 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 minus 10 whole square. So root over 5 is 10 square plus 8 minus 2 is minus 2 whole square. So from here this is 100. 10 square is 100 minus 2 square is 4 plus 4. Okay, 104. Hence therefore BC distance is also equal. Therefore AD is equals to BC. AD is equals to BC distance is also equal. Okay, distances are equal. Next, we proved this two. Next, we will find now here AC is a diagonal, BD is a diagonal. AC distance find, BD distance find. Therefore both are not equal. Okay, both are not equal. Here find the AC diagonal. Okay, AC diagonal is root over x2 minus x1 x1 y1. This is x2 y2 x2 minus x1. Okay, 15 minus of minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1 8 minus of minus 3 whole square. So from here we can say here 15 plus 7 15 plus 7 whole square plus 8 minus plus 8 plus 3 whole square. So root over 15 plus 7 is how much? This is 22 whole square plus 8 plus 3 is 11 whole square. So here root over 484. Okay, 20 to 22 is a 484. This is 11 11 is a 121. 121. Then 484, 121. This is 5 and this is 10. This is 5, 605. 605. Root over 605. Therefore, AC distance is equal to root over 605. Next, find the BD. BD is also diagonal. BD is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square. 3 minus x1 y1. This is x2 y2. x2 minus x1. 3 minus 5 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1. Minus 5 minus 10 whole square. So here 3 minus 5 is minus 2 whole square. Plus minus 5 minus 10 is minus 15 whole square. So from here, this is 2 2s are 4. This is 5 15 15 is 225. So if I add up together, this is 229. 229. BD distance is 229. Therefore, BD distance is 229 and AC distance are root over 605. Therefore, AC is not equals to BD. Hence, diagonal is not equal. Therefore, this is also satisfying the condition, right? This is also satisfying the condition. Therefore, we can say the given points are parallelogram, vertex of the parallelogram. Okay. Therefore, we can say here, this is the equation. Prove that the points, here is asking prove the points are vertex of the parallelogram is asking. So we found AB. If we prove AB is equals to DC, AD is equals to BC, and diagonal of AC is not equals to diagonal of BD, then we can say all the points are vertices of the triangle. Okay, vertices of the parallelogram. All the points are vertices of the parallelogram. Okay. So we found here, we proved AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC, and here diagonals are not equal. Therefore we can say that here A, B, C, D are vertices of parallelogram. Vertices of parallelogram. Okay, that's all. Here to show the points. Here to show the points are taken in the vertex of the rhombus, he's saying. So we should show that given points are the vertex of the rhombus and find its area is asking. Find its area. Now we will draw one rhombus. I draw here a rough diagram. A, B, C, D. So in the rhombus, here consider a rhombus, all the sides are equal. Okay, rhombus AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. All the sides are equal, but the diagonals, okay, diagonals are not equal. Let us say diagonal, this is D1 and this diagonal is D2. Okay, diagonal D1, AC diagonal is not equals to BD. Okay, so if we prove this, we can say that given vertices are the rhombus vertices. Okay, now given points, let given points be, let given points be A is equals to, consider minus 4 comma minus 7. Next, B is equals to minus 1 comma 2, C equals to 8 comma 5, D is equals to 5 comma minus 4. Now we will prove one by one. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Then find the diagonals. Okay, distance. So first find the AB distance. AB. First, before going to find the distance formula, mention the distance formula. The distance formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, next, this is the distance formula. So AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1. Okay, the points are given x2 minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. x2 minus x1, minus 1 minus of minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. Okay, next ab is equals to root over minus 1 minus 0 minus plus 4 whole square, plus 2 minus of minus plus 7 whole square. Okay, here minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3 whole square, and 2 plus 7 is 9 square. So this is 3 square is 9, 9 nines are 81, so root over 90. Root over 90 is the AB distance. AB distance is root over 90. Okay, next find BC distance. BC distance. BC distance. So B point is minus 1 comma 2. C point is 8 comma 5. This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. And BC distance is equal to root over x2 minus x1, x8 minus of minus 1 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 2 whole square, root over 8 minus 2 minus plus 8 plus 1 is 9 square, plus 5 minus 2 is 3 square. Therefore you are getting 9 square is 81, 3 square is 9, therefore 90. BC is equals to root over 90. You are getting the distance. Next, CD distance. Okay, CD distance. C point is 8 comma 5. D point is 5 comma 4. 5 comma minus 4. So find that CD distance. CD is equals to root over x2 minus x1. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. x2 minus x1. 5 minus 8 whole square, plus y minus y1. y2 minus y1. Minus 4 minus 5 whole square. So root over 5 minus 3 minus 8 is minus 3 whole square, plus minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9 whole square. In the square root always become positive. In the square always negative will become positive. 3 square is 9, plus 9 square is 81, therefore 90. This is CD distance. Okay, this is CD distance. Next, CD and DA. 5 comma minus 4, 5 comma minus 4. D is equals to 5 comma minus 4, and A is equals to, what is the point? Minus 4 comma minus 7. Minus 4 comma minus 7. So DAD distance. AD distance also same. x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 5 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 7 minus of minus 4 whole square. Similarly here also we'll get the same. Minus 4 minus 5 is how much? Minus 9 whole square. Okay, plus here plus 4, this is minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is minus 3 whole square. Therefore 9 nines are 81, plus 3 3 is a 9. Root over 90 you will get. AD is also root over 90. Therefore we can say here AB is equals to BC is equals to DC is equals to CA. AB, CD and DA. CD, DA, all distance are equal. All distance are equal. Now find the diagonals. Okay, diagonals are the point AC. First find the AC diagonal. Okay, AC diagonal. AC is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Root over x2 minus x1, 8 minus of minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. So root over 8 plus 4, 12, 12 square, plus 5 plus 7 is how much? 12, 12 square. Therefore can I write this is 1 unit. Let us say this is x square plus x square. X square plus x square, can I write 2x square? Similarly I am writing inside root over 2 times of 12x, 12 square. Now root 2 into root 12 square, square root cancel, 12 root 2. So this is AC distance. AC distance is 12 root 2. Okay, next diagonal BD distance. Find the BD distance. BD diagonal is equals root over x2 minus x1. This is x1 y1. This is x2. This is y2. x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 minus 5 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus of minus 4 whole square. So root over minus 6 whole square plus 2 plus 4 6 whole square. So 6 square 6 square 6 6 are 2 6 6 square 6 square here 6 square 6 square here 6 square 6 square means here let us say same thing, x square plus x square is how much, 2x square only, right? So similarly I am writing as x square plus 6 square is 2 into 6 square. Okay, so root 2 and root into 6, root over 6 square root cancel, from here 6 root 2, 6 root 2 is the BD distance. BD distance is 6 root 2. Therefore, diagonals are not equal. AC is not equals to BD. Hence, we can say vertices of the triangle are vertices of the parallelogram equal. See here, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to DA. Therefore, we can say here A, B, C, D are vertices of rhombus. Next, area of the rhombus formula here. Area of rhombus formula of into modulus diagonal AC into diagonal BD. Okay, diagonal BD. So of into AC diagonal is 12 root 2, right? 12 root 2 into BD diagonal is 6 into root 2 here. 2 6 are 12, so 6 6 are 36 into root 2 whole square, right? Square root cancel, 36 into 2, so 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6 7 72. Therefore, this is the area of a triangle unit square. Okay, unit square is the area of a triangle. This is the solution. Here in the question the points are given, so we proved AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD, and just go through the solution slowly. Scrolling here, AB, BC, CD, AD all distances are equal, hence their sides are equal. All sides are equal, and diagonals we checked. Diagonals we got it. AC is equals to 12 root 2 and BD is equals to 6 root 2. Therefore, both diagonals are not equal, hence all sides are equal. Therefore, ABCD are the vertices of the rhombus, and area of the rhombus formula is of into AC into BD. Okay, AC into BD. Here modulus is what here? Here modulus is nothing but making negative distance to the positive. Okay, make sure that all the distance need to be in a positive only. Okay, so that is the reason why I wrote here modulus, and this is the area of the rhombus. That's all. This is a solution. So here we have a ninth problem. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by using these points. Okay, now first let us assume this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, and this point is D. Now find AB distance, BC distance, CD distance. If all distance are equal, all the sides are equal, let us say AB is equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. All sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal, then we will say this is a rhombus. Okay, this is a rhombus. If all sides are equal, diagonals also equal, then that is said to be a square. Okay, geometrical figure, square. Next, if AB and CD distance are equal, AB is equals to CD and AD equals to CB, distance are equal and diagonals are not equal, then that is said to be parallelogram. Okay, based on this we can find this is the homework. Okay, try to solve this 1 2 3 homework problem. We already did 2 problems based on this concept, so better to follow this concept by using previous problem reference. Okay, Here in the 10th question, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, now first what is given actually here, draw this diagram roughly. This is x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis always the point is what? Here on x-axis x1 comma 0, right? Y coordinate is always equals to 0. Okay, on x-axis always y coordinate is equals to 0. Next, what is saying? X1 comma 0 and 2 comma minus pi, right? 2 comma minus pi. This is 2 comma minus pi. Let us say this is x-axis positive, y-axis negative. So this point randomly I am considering. This point is 2 comma minus pi. Okay, this point is 2 comma minus pi and minus 2 comma 9. Minus 2 comma 9. Okay, this is, let us say, x-axis negative. X-axis negative in the second quadrant. This is minus 2 and 9. This is minus 2, 9. So these distances are equally same. Okay, these distances are equally same. Okay, like I roughly wrote here, these two distances are equally same. Okay, let us say this is A and this is B point and this is C point. Okay, let point on x-axis BC is equals to x1 comma 0. Okay, x1 comma 0, and given, what is given? AC distance is equals to BC distance. Equidistance is saying, equidistance means AC and BD are equal. Okay, AB and BC are equal, but in the diagram I did not drawn exactly the distances. Okay, by visualizing we can't say this is equally, but the given condition here, equal distance, that's the reason I wrote AC is equals to BC. Okay, this is a given condition. Given the given AB, AC is equals to BC. Now we know A point, we know C point. Okay, first find the AC distance. A point is known, A point is minus 2 comma 9. C point is, this is a given. Okay, put it here. A is, we know A is equals to minus 2 comma 9. C point is, let us say, x1 comma 0, and the AC distance is, we know distance formula, right? Before using the distance formula, just mention the formula. Okay, distance root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula. So this is the distance formula. AC is equals to root over x2 minus x1. So this is x2 minus x1. Minus x1 is minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 0 minus 9 whole square. So from here we can write it as minus plus x1 plus 2 whole square plus this is 9 square. Minus 9 always plus 9. Okay, this is AC distance. This is AC distance. Okay, next BC distance. B point is what we have. B is 2 comma minus 5 and C point is, we know, x1 comma 0. Here BC distance is what? Root over x2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 minus y1, 0 minus of minus positive whole square. So root over x1 minus 2 whole square plus this is 5 square. So we can write it as x1 minus 2 whole square plus 5 is 25. So this is a BC distance. Okay, and also given is, what is given? AC is equals to BC, right? AC is equals to BC. Now AC is what? This is a AC, then this is a BC. I'm substituting here. Root over x1 plus 2 whole square plus 9 square is equals to BC is x1 minus 2 whole square plus 25. So squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, x1 plus 2 whole square plus 9 square equals to root over x1 minus 2 whole square plus 25 whole square. Square root cancel, and from here x1 plus 2 whole square plus 9 square is 81, this is 81 equals to 9 9 is 81. So x minus 2 whole square is plus 25. Okay, now expand a plus b whole square. We know the formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so this is the formula, just follow the formula. This is a square means x1 square plus b square is 2 square plus 2ab. A is what? X1, b is what? 2 plus 81 equals to, here x1 square plus y1 square is 2 square minus 2ab, 2x1 into 2 plus 25. Okay, now from here plus x square, here plus x1 square plus x1 square cancel. Okay, because if I send there minus, it will become minus plus cancel. 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square cancel, and remaining here is 2 2s are 4 into x1 plus 81 equals to minus 2 2s are 4 minus 4 x1 plus 25 plus 25. Now from here we can find here, send this term to the left hand side. Send this term to the left hand side. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4x1 plus 4x1 is equal to, send this 81 to the right hand side. 25 minus 81. So 4 plus 4 is 8. x1 is equals to 25 minus 81 is what? Here 25 minus 81 is minus 56. Okay, x1 is equals to minus 56. This is multiple. If I bring this side, so it will become divide. So 8 sevens are minus 7. Therefore we have x1 is minus 7 comma 0. Therefore what is asking? Is asking the point lying on a line. So x1 comma 0 is a point. So the solution will be, therefore point lie on x-axis is equals to x1 comma 0, right? So this is minus 7 comma 0 be the solution. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. Let me zoom. So here find the points on x-axis. Find the point on x-axis which is distance from this. Geometrically we just drawn here, and we let the point be x1 comma 0 we assumed here, and the given condition is AC and BC are equal. Equidistance means equal distance. Okay, AC is equals to BC. So here a point B, AC we have distance formula we wrote here. Finding distance AC we got it, and BC we got it. From there we equated those two and squaring on both sides, you will get the one expression. From there we are applying a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square formula, and from there you are getting 8x1 is equals to minus 51. Therefore x1 is equals to minus 7. So x1 is equals to minus 7 is the point. We got it. That's all. This is the solution. Is this clear? In this question, if the distance between the 2 points is 10, find the value of x. So this is a given. First, what is given? Write it. Given is distance between the 2 points is, okay, distance between 2 points is equals to 10, and also given distance is, let given distance is, a is x comma 7, let us say b point is 1 comma 15 point. 2 points are given. Now we know distance formula, distance between the 2 points. Okay, distance between 2 points is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So from here we can say this is the distance formula. And AB is the distance given is AB is equals to 10. Okay, distance between 2 points is AB is the distance, right? Is equals to 10. AB is equals to 10. Therefore here AB distance formula is root over x2 minus x1. x2, this is x2 minus x1, right? 1 minus x whole square plus y2 minus y1, 15 minus 7 whole square is equals to 10. Okay, in order to remove the square root, squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides, 1 minus x whole square plus 15 minus 7 is how much? 8, right? 8 square is equals to 10 square. This is root and whole square, and this is 10 square. Square root cancel, and from here 1 minus x whole square plus 8 8 is 64. This is 100. 100 minus 64, 1 minus x whole square. Sending the 64 to the right hand side, 100 minus 64, and this is what? This is 36. Okay, 1 minus x whole square. If I square, send it to the right hand side, it will become root over 36. Root over 36 is 6. Okay, 1 minus x is equals to 6. If I bring this x to the right hand side and x6 to the left hand side, 1 minus 6 is equals to x, and x is equals to 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Therefore x value is minus 5. X value is minus 5. What is asking? Find the value of x. So we found the value of x. This is the solution. Okay, that's all. This is the solution. First, see here, distance AB is equals to 10 is given. So AB distance we found, squaring on both sides. From there, we sending 64 to the right hand side, and we got 36. Square root is there, square is there. Send it to the right hand side, it will become root 36. Root 36 6. Actually, root 36 is plus or minus 6, but we are only considering plus 6. Okay. And 6 to the left hand side minus x to the right hand side, x is equals to 1 minus x is minus 5. That's all. This is the solution. Clear? Got it? Here in the 12th question also same. In the 12th question is also same. PQ is equals to 10 is given. So find y value. Okay, only one known is y. So you can able to find this as a homework problem. Okay, homework problem. Next 13th problem. 13th problem is find the radius of the circle whose center is minus 3 comma 2 and passes through minus 5 comma 6. First given is what is given? Center of the circle. Center of the circle is equals to 3 comma 2 is a center, and one point is lying on, and minus 5 comma 6 lies on circle. Okay, is given. Now first we will draw the diagram. Okay, this is a circle. Okay, this is a circle, and from here center is what? Center is 3 comma 2, and the point is lying on here is minus 5 comma 6 randomly. Okay, then this distance is radius, right? Distance between them is radius. This is the center C. Okay, let us say center O, and this point be A. Okay, let A be the point is minus 5 comma 6, O be the point is 3 comma 2, and OA distance is the radius, right? Therefore from figure we can say OA is equals to radius which is R. Okay, R is radius. R is equals to OA distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square, 3 minus of minus 5 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, 2 minus 6 whole square. So R is equals to root over 3 plus 5 is 8, right? Minus to minus plus 3 plus 5 whole square plus 2 minus 6 is minus 4 whole square. So this is 8 square plus this is 4 square. Root over 8 8 is 64 plus 6 6 is 16, 4 4 is 16. Okay, so add up together, what is the result? 6 plus 1 7 8 80. So radius is equals to root over 80. Therefore radius is asking, radius is equals to root over 80 units. That's all. This is the solution. Okay, first what is asking? Find the radius of the circle whose center is 3 comma 2, and one point is lying on a line passing through the minus 5 comma 6. So this is point is minus 5 comma 6. That means here OA is the radius, so we can find radius is equals to root over 80 is the right answer. Clear? Here Find a relation between x and y such that the point is equidistant from the points. So randomly I'm considering here. Okay, here one point is there, x comma y, one point is there, and here minus 2 comma 8 is a one more point, and other point is minus 3 comma minus 5 randomly. So this distance and this distance are equally same. Okay, such that the point is equidistant from the 2 points. That means this is, let us say, A point, this is B point, and this is C point. Okay, AC is equals to BC is saying. Okay, given the points are AC is equals to BC. So what is asking, find the relation between x and y is same. Okay, given, let the points be A is equals to minus 2 comma 8 and B is equals to minus 3 comma minus 5, and we assumed means we assumed, okay, we consider given point x comma y be the C. Okay, x comma y be the C1. Now what is saying, this point is equidistant from the 2 points. That means this point is equal distance. That means this distance and this distance both are equally same. Okay, so from here we can say here AC is equals to BC, right? AC is a distance, BC is a distance, both distance are equal given. This is given, equal distance, equidistance means. So AC is equals to BC, fine. We know the distance formula, mention the distance formula. Okay, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the formula. So AC is equals to BC. AC distance is what? AC is equals to root over, first A point is, A is minus 2 comma 8, C is x comma y, x2 minus x1, x minus of minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y minus, this is 8, okay, this is 8 whole square. So root over x plus 2 whole square minus to minus plus y minus 8 whole square. Okay, next AC we got. Next BC. B point B minus 3 comma minus 5, C point B x comma y, and here BC distance is root over x2 minus x1 minus of minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 whole square. From here minus to minus plus x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. So this is BC distance. Okay, minus to minus plus, minus to minus plus. So we got it, this BC and AC and BC we got it. Now given condition is what? AC is equals to BC, right? AC is equals to BC. AC is what? AC is this distance, right? This distance. AC distance is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square is equals to root over x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. So squaring on both sides. So if I square on both sides, square root and get cancelled. Remaining is x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 whole square, or else I will show you here. Square. Square root cancel. From here we can write x plus 2 whole square y minus 8 whole square is equals to x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square. So from here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So follow the formula. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square, 2 square. Okay, this is ab. Next plus a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, plus b square. AB is y8 is equals to, next, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2ab, a is x, b is 3. Similar way, plus y square plus 5 square plus 2ab. A is what? Y. B is what? 5. So from here, x square plus 2 2s are 4x plus 2 2s are 4 plus y square minus 2 8s are 16 y plus 8 8s are 64 equals to x square plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 2s are 6x plus y square plus 5 5s are 25 plus 2 5s are 10 into y, 10y. So from here, plus x square, if I send there, it will become minus, right? It will get cancelled, and y square is also cancelled. Okay, and remaining terms we have 4x and 6x. Okay, and here minus 16y is there, plus 10y is there. What I am doing here, 4x, send it to the right hand side. Okay, it will become 6x minus 4x, right? 6x minus 4x. Next, constants, how many we have here? 4 is there, 64. 464, write it. 4 plus 64, how much? 68. Sorry, just a minute. Just I send there left hand side, right? So write it. I send this term to the left hand side and remaining terms to the left hand side only. 4 plus 64 is how much? 4 plus 64 is 68 minus 16y equals to, here 9 plus 25 is how much? 34 and 6x plus 6x, here plus 4x comes to the right hand side, here minus 4x, and the remaining is plus 10y. Here 9 plus 25 is 36, right? 34, so 34. So I wrote here accordingly. So this is 16y. Now can I write 68 minus 16y is equal, 68 minus 16y is equals to 6x minus 4x is 2x. This is 2x. So I wrote here 2x. Next, 34 plus 10y. This is plus 34. Just bring this 64 or else 68. You can do any other way. Okay, let us say here 16y to the right hand side and 34 to the left hand side. Okay, 68 minus 34 is equals to 2x plus 10y minus, right, minus 16 is there, minus 16y, it will become plus 16y. From here 68 minus 34 is 4 and this is 34 is equals to 2x plus 10 plus 16 is 26, right? 2x plus 26y. Now both sides divided by 2, because here 2 is there, here 2 multiplies the 2 multiply. Both sides divided by 2. Divided by 2. So 34 by 2 is equals 2x by 2 plus 26 by 2 y. So you will get 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. 17 is equals to 2 cancel x plus 2 1s are 2 3s are 13y. Therefore we have a relation. Between x and y, right? We have a relation between x and y. Let us consider x, send it to the left hand side. You can write it as 13y, or else 17 minus x is equals to 13y is a relation. Okay, y in terms of x relation, x in terms of y relation. Anyway, you can write. Okay, this is also right answer. This is also right answer. This is also right answer. Anyway, this is the solution. Okay, you can write anyway. Hence we have x in terms of y in terms of x. That's all. This is a solution. Okay, here carefully you should do here. Carefully here you guys supposed to solve. Okay, properly. From starting, once again I will show you. Here the given question, C is equidistance from A and B. AC is equals to BC is given directly. So AC we found, BC we found. From there we solved, equate and squaring on both sides, and we equated and we substituted the formula and we simplified x square, y square, and from there sending the terms to the left hand side, right hand side, and thereafter you got one equation. And this is also completely alright. This is also solution. Okay, this is also completely alright. This is also one kind of solution. Okay, this is also acceptable solution. Now both sides divided by 2, because here 2 multiple is there, 2 multiple is there, 2 multiple is there. That's the reason. Everywhere 2 multiple is there. That's the reason we are dividing 2. So dividing 2, that's all. This is the solution. Clear? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Okay, here he is asking find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment. In your syllabus you have internal division. Okay, internal division. Now here find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment. Here let us consider this is a point. This is point is minus 1 comma 7. Okay, and one more point is 4 comma minus 3. So here dividing, let us say P be the point dividing the line in 2:3 ratio. Okay, 2:3 ratio. What is the formula actually? This is the formula, right? This is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2, and the point P is dividing in m:2n ratio. Then point P formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, this is internal division you have. Now here this is given x1 comma y1 is equals to minus 1 comma 7 and x2 comma y2 point is 4 comma minus 3. Next m is to n is equals to 2 is to 3. So from here we can find the coordinate of the point, right? We can find the P point. He is asking what is the P point. What is the P point? Then we know the formula. Okay, we know the formula. P is equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So from here we can say here this is comma. Okay, this is comma. So P is equals to mn value is what? M is 2, n is 3, right? 2 into 3. So 2 into something, 3 into x1 by 2 plus 3 comma 2 into y2 plus 3 into y1 by 2 plus 3. So here x2 is what? Here this is x2, this is x1, right? 4 minus 1. This is 4 minus 1. Next y2 is what? y2 y1, right? y1 is minus 3, y1 is 7. Minus 3 7 minus 3 7. So the point can be 2 4s are 8 minus 3 by 3 plus 2 5 comma 2 3s are minus 6 plus 3 7s are 21 by 5. Okay, now P is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 by 5 comma this is 15 by 5. So 5 5s are 5 1s are 5. Next 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So 1 comma 3. Point is 1 comma 3 is the solution. This is the solution. Okay, that's all. This is asking in the solution. Find the coordinate of the point which divides this point is the point we should find. Dividing 2:3 ratio this line joining segment. Okay, clear? Got it? This is the solution. Therefore, this is a solution point. That's all.